Hi! In front of me is an Android 13 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. First of all, just open Devices Settings. In them, select Connected Devices. Click on Connection Preferences and tap on Printing. Now you can just click on the Footprint service right away and wait. Your device is now searching for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you wish to use different print service, firstly, you need to disable this one by clicking on the switcher next to it. Then go back, tap on Add Service and install the best one for you. In my case, HP one. When your new service is ready, go back by tapping on the back button twice. Lastly, just tap on your new service and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!